Hi there, my name is Kaylee and in this video I'll be showing you how to make a loop-through bun. Start by brushing through your hair to remove any tangles and gather your hair into a low ponytail. Then take your right hand, palm facing upwards, and slide it under the ponytail. Grab it and pull your hand slightly to the right and then twist your hand upwards. You've now created a loop. Take the rest of your hair and pull it through the loop. You've now created a knot in your hair. Pull the rest of the hair through the loop again. Now if you have longer hair, you can pull it through again, but I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap my ends around the base of the bun. Secure the bun with some pins. I'm using U-pins here. They're less damaging than bobby pins. Place one on each side of the bun. Use more if you need to. And voila! That's the loop-through bun. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and if you would like to see more buns you can make in a minute, then subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you next time. Bye!